something that can get a little confusing for dealers and really any business owner, and that's authority. And when I'm talking about authority, I'm talking about two different types of authority: apparent authority and actual authority. Now you may be wondering, what on earth, Stephen, are you talking about? But authority, when used in the case of apparent versus actual authority, I'm talking about the authority of an employee or a dealer employee to do something on behalf of the dealer. Now, actual authority would be if the employee actually has the authority to do that thing. Apparent authority is where in the case of a customer, which is what these videos are about, at least this canon, is where the customer believes that the employee has the authority to do something that they did. That's considered apparent authority. And sometimes it may be that the dealer says later on, this guy was acting way out of the scope of his employment. He didn't have the authority to do that. He couldn't enter into that agreement. He couldn't make that price change. He couldn't say those things to the customer, but to the customer, this person had every piece of authority they needed to do that. And that's called apparent authority, where the customer believes that the employee had the authority to do the act that the employee did. And in certain circumstances, a lot of circumstances really, the dealer is on the hook for something that the customer believed the employee had the authority to do, even if the employee didn't actually have the actual authority to do it, but instead, based on the customer's interpretation of that authority, had what we would call apparent authority. So it's real important that a dealer's employees' roles are defined and what they're allowed to do is defined, and that the dealer is making sure that the employee is not doing things representing to a customer that the employee can do more than the employee can actually do.